it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I'm doing an update on my cross stitching and where I'm at with that. So this was the first cross stitch project that I have done, and I finally finished it. Well, I've mostly finished it. I thought I was completely done, and I took it out of the hoop, and then I realized that I missed one tiny little white piece that I was supposed to do. So I need to go back and add that. But other than that, it's done. It says Pumpkin Spice Farm. I think it came out really cute. I do like it. I'm planning to, I guess, cut it out and put it on the mounting board and then frame it. I think that'd probably be the best way to showcase it or whatever for fall. If you have any other ideas of what to do with it, please let me know though, because that's all I can come up with. Now, the next thing, our local Joann's was having a big sale, and it was good. I only bought 2 things, and one I actually bought at the store, and the other one I got home and I was like, I really should have got that. I got online and I ordered it. So it finally came, and well, actually it came really quickly, but it got here and I'm excited for it. The first thing that I got was actually not cross stitch related at all. It was just a yard of black fabric so that I could use it for a project that I'm doing. And the other thing, I got one of these project boxes, and it is very large. I think it's 14 inches squared, and then it's probably about 4 inches deep. But I can fit all of it. Came as a 3-pack, so I've also got a blue one and a clear one, and I can fit all of my cross stitch stuff in here. So I've got room for fabric, and I've got room for the thread, and underneath all of that I've got my next pattern, which is this guy. I thought this was so cute when I saw it. I bought it from an Etsy shop, and it was just a PDF, so I printed it all out, but it definitely has some thickness to it. I am undertaking a task with this one for sure, but I'm excited for it. I think it's really cute, and they had a lot of really adorable patterns and really stunning fall patterns. I also bought a couple of others, but I thought this looked like the easiest out of all of them that I picked, and I wanted to start by kind of dipping my toes into the really challenging stuff. At least I think that's really challenging. I'm not that experienced with it though, so I don't really know what I've gotten myself into. It's got, let me show you the breakdown sheet though, because it has that in there. And each one of, it's like it's broken down into 9 different segments. And, you know, each one of these is a separate page that printed out. So it's rather large because it takes up, each one of these takes up an entire page. So we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. I hope it's not that hard, but it is fun. I've been enjoying it, and I can't wait to get started on that. I will update you once I have a little bit of progress gone on it, and show you how it's going, and maybe give you an idea as to how complex it actually really is once I've dipped my toes in. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.